What if we told you that America's strength isn't just built at home? It's stitched together by alliances abroad. Every iPhone, every car, every package on your doorstep relies on one critical truth. The U.S. is deeply dependent on trade with a few powerful countries. But what happens if those partners suddenly walk away? From energy to electronics, agriculture to aerospace, these nations fuel the U.S. economy in ways most Americans never realize. And in 2025, global tensions, trade disputes, and shifting alliances are putting those relationships at risk. The result: a fragile house of cards that could tumble if just one piece gets pulled. Today, we're counting down 10 countries that, if they walked away, could collapse entire sectors of the U.S. economy. From the ports of Mexico to the tech labs of South Korea, each one holds a pressure point in America's supply chain. Lose just one, and you'll feel it everywhere. And before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more engaging content. Number 10. Japan. Japan and the United States have been close allies for decades, especially in trade and military cooperation. But in 2025, Japan holds a kind of silent power over America that few people truly understand. It's not loud, but if Tokyo decided to walk away, the US would feel it instantly. Japan is the largest foreign holder of U.S. government debt, with over $1.1 trillion in Treasury securities as of early 2025. If Japan were to start selling off that debt, it could tank the value of the U.S. dollar and send interest rates through the roof. Markets would panic, borrowing costs would spike, and Wall Street would shake. Beyond finance, Japan is also a tech powerhouse. American companies depend heavily on Japanese components for electronics, semiconductors, and auto manufacturing. Disruption in that supply chain would cripple production across multiple industries almost overnight. Militarily, Japan is also a linchpin of America's Pacific defense strategy. With growing tensions in the South China Sea and Taiwan Strait, the U.S. depends on its bases in Japan to project power in the region. If Tokyo decided to close those bases or cut military ties, Washington would lose a critical forward operating position. While the two nations remain allies, Japan's quiet leverage is undeniable. If they ever chose to step away from the U.S., they wouldn't need missiles or sanctions to cause damage. Just a few financial moves and silence on the global stage would do the trick. Number 9. Germany. Germany may be a strong NATO ally of the United States, but that hasn't stopped it from issuing sharp warnings to its citizens in 2025. The German Foreign Office updated its travel advisory this spring, pointing to escalating racial tensions, gun crime, and the potential for civil unrest in U.S. cities. While travel isn't banned, Germans are advised to stay vigilant and avoid politically sensitive areas. Cities like Washington, Portland, and even New York were flagged due to recent protests and police-related violence. The advisory highlights the risk of randomized violence in public spaces, which Germans find especially jarring. Compared to Germany's strict gun laws and low crime rates, the American landscape can feel chaotic and unpredictable. Healthcare is another major factor mentioned in the advisory. German citizens have expressed concern over how a lack of universal healthcare in the U.S. can lead to serious consequences during emergencies. The travel notice urges visitors to have robust private insurance before entering American borders. A 2025 ZDF poll found that 68% of Germans believe the U.S. has become more dangerous in the last 3 years. This shift in public opinion is mirrored by falling tourist interest, with travel agencies reporting fewer bookings to the U.S. than in previous years. Social media commentary in Germany often highlights viral clips of American crime, reinforcing these fears. What was once seen as a glamorous destination is now viewed with caution. Germany isn't cutting ties, but it is advising its citizens to think twice before crossing the Atlantic. And when a country known for efficiency and caution says, proceed carefully, it's worth paying attention. Number 8. China. Tensions between the U.S. and China are nothing new, but in 2025, they've reached a boiling point, and Chinese travel advisories reflect that. In March, China's Ministry of Foreign Affairs issued a nationwide alert warning Chinese nationals to reconsider non-essential travel to the United States. The advisory cites racial discrimination, arbitrary law enforcement, and anti-Asian hate crimes as growing concerns. The advisory was prompted by multiple incidents involving Chinese students and tourists facing harassment or detainment at American airports. Social media in China lit up with viral videos showing confrontations that reinforced the narrative of a hostile environment for Chinese nationals. The government's warning included a hotline for citizens facing urgent diplomatic distress while traveling in the U.S. Chinese media has been echoing the message aggressively. News outlets have described the U.S. as unstable, divided, and increasingly dangerous for Asians and foreign visitors. This coverage has had a major impact on travel sentiment among the Chinese middle class. Economically, travel demand has dipped sharply. Tour groups that once packed American malls and landmarks are now opting for destinations like Europe, Southeast Asia, and even South America. Airlines report a 34% drop in bookings to U.S. cities compared to the same time last year. For Beijing, this isn't just about public safety, it's also a political statement. By discouraging travel to America, China is reinforcing the narrative that its own system is safer, more orderly, and more respectful of international guests. The warning might be temporary, but the message is crystal clear. It's not safe for us over there anymore. Number 7. Mexico. America's neighbor to the south plays a far more critical role in our stability than most people realize. In 2025, Mexico isn't just a trading partner, it's a manufacturing powerhouse, a security collaborator, and a gateway for global supply chains. If it walked away or shifted allegiances, the consequences would ripple through nearly every sector of the U.S. economy. Under the USMCA trade agreement, Mexico provides everything from auto parts to agricultural goods that keep American industries running. Many U.S. companies rely on Mexican factories to cut costs and speed up production. If those plants stopped cooperating or Mexico began favoring other partners like China, supply chains would grind to a halt. Border cooperation is another area where Mexico holds enormous influence. Its collaboration helps control migration, drug trafficking, and cross-border crime. Without that alignment, America would face not just security threats, but a massive humanitarian and logistical crisis. In 2025, tensions are rising as Mexico considers deeper ties with BRICS and other economic blocs. President Claudia Sheinbaum has signaled openness to diversifying Mexico's international partnerships, raising red flags in Washington. If that shift becomes official policy, it could undermine decades of U.S. influence in the region. Mexico may not be a military powerhouse, but its strategic importance is undeniable. Losing its cooperation would be like losing the support beams of a bridge. It wouldn't collapse immediately, but the structure would start to sway. Number 6. India. India is often hailed as America's democratic ally and economic partner, but in 2025, its independent streak is becoming more of a challenge than a comfort. With a booming economy, massive consumer market, and growing tech sector, India is now powerful enough to go its own way. And if it chooses to walk away from its U.S. partnership, the fallout would be substantial. First, there's the tech and services sector. American companies depend on Indian talent for everything from software development to customer service, and many of their global operations are based in Indian cities like Bengaluru and Hyderabad. If India imposed restrictions or gave preferential access to competitors like China or Russia, Silicon Valley would feel the pinch. India's role in geopolitics is just as significant. As a member of the Quad Alliance, it provides critical counterbalance to China in the Indo-Pacific. If New Delhi pulled out or softened its stance to maintain neutrality, U.S. influence in the region would take a massive hit. In 2025, India is also playing hardball on trade, refusing to adopt Western standards and leaning into partnerships with the BRICS bloc. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been vocal about pursuing a multi-alignment strategy, keeping India flexible and non-dependent on any single power. That strategy may serve India well, but it leaves America vulnerable. India doesn't need to fire missiles to hurt the U.S. All it needs to do is stop answering the phone, and in today's interconnected world, that silence can be deafening. Number 5. Canada. It might seem unthinkable, but if Canada, America's closest ally and largest trading partner, turned its back, the U.S. would feel the shock immediately. In 2025, Canada supplies over 15% of all U.S. imports, including oil, lumber, and electricity. That interdependence isn't just convenient, it's critical. Energy is at the heart of this relationship. Canada provides the U.S. with nearly half of its imported crude oil and natural gas through an intricate network of pipelines. If Ottawa decided to reroute that supply elsewhere, or shut it off entirely, The U.S. would face skyrocketing fuel prices and regional shortages. Trade disruptions would also hit hard, with $2 billion in goods crossing the border every single day. Even a temporary freeze would destabilize multiple industries. From agriculture to auto manufacturing, Canadian exports keep American businesses humming. Canada also plays a massive role in national security through NORAD and intelligence sharing agreements. If Ottawa walked away from joint defense efforts, America would lose a trusted sentinel on its northern border and weaken its aerial defense coverage. That's a serious gap in a tense global climate. While the friendly neighbor image remains strong, political shifts and rising anti-American sentiment in Canadian media hint at a more independent path. If that path leads away from Washington, the U.S. would lose more than a partner. It would lose its most stable ally. Number 4. Brazil. Brazil has long flown under the radar of American foreign policy, but in 2025, its growing power makes it a major threat if it chooses to walk away.
As Latin America's largest economy and a founding member of BRICS,
Brazil holds increasing sway in global trade, energy, and diplomacy. Its alignment matters more than ever. The U.S. imports massive quantities of raw materials from Brazil, everything from soybeans and beef to iron ore and rare minerals. A disruption in that flow would hit American manufacturing, agriculture, and even tech production. In short, Brazil's exports are woven into the fabric of U.S. supply chains. In 2025, President Lula da Silva has pushed for greater South-South cooperation, openly challenging American dominance. He's advocated for a BRICS currency, cut dollar ties and trade with China, and increased military cooperation with Russia. If Brazil fully exits U.S. influence, it could drag much of Latin America with it. Culturally and politically, Brazil is becoming a model for countries seeking alternatives to the Western-led order. That influence extends beyond economics. It shapes global voting blocs in the UN and other international forums. If Brazil walks, it doesn't walk alone. The U.S. can't afford to ignore Brazil any longer. It's not just the lungs of the planet, it's becoming the diplomatic engine of the global South. And if it turns away, it could slam the door on America's future in the region. Number 3. China. It's no secret, China is the United States' biggest rival. But what many people don't realize is just how deeply entangled the two economies are. If China decided to cut ties, the impact on America wouldn't just be painful, it could be catastrophic. China is the largest source of imports for the U.S., providing everything from electronics and textiles to rare earth elements that power phones, electric vehicles, and military tech. In 2025, supply chain reliance on Chinese manufacturing has only deepened, and any disruption could cripple entire industries. A sudden halt would leave shelves empty, factories idle, and costs soaring. Financially, China holds more than $860 billion in U.S. Treasury bonds. If Beijing began dumping that debt on the global market, the dollar could crash and interest rates could spike overnight. That kind of economic shock would send Wall Street into a tailspin. China also plays a growing role in global governance through institutions like BRICS and the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. If it succeeds in building a global trading system outside of U.S. influence, the American-led world order could be sidelined. And that loss of influence would hurt just as much as the economic damage. While open conflict remains unlikely, China doesn't need missiles to bring America down a peg. All it needs is leverage, and right now, it has plenty of it. Number 2. Russia. While Russia may not match the U.S. in economic size, it holds other forms of power that could do serious damage if relations deteriorate further. In 2025, Moscow remains one of the world's top energy exporters and a strategic disruptor in every global hotspot from Ukraine to the Arctic. If Russia walks away from remaining diplomatic channels or worse, doubles down on global antagonism, it could ignite crises America isn't ready for. Europe still relies heavily on Russian natural gas, and any aggressive moves by Moscow can send global energy prices skyrocketing, directly impacting American consumers. The U.S. might not buy Russian gas, but its economy is tightly linked to global markets. Higher oil prices mean higher inflation, and that puts pressure on the Federal Reserve, Wall Street, and every working American. Cybersecurity is another Achilles heel. Russian cybercriminals and state-backed hackers have already targeted U.S. infrastructure, banks, hospitals, and elections. If Russia decides to escalate its cyber warfare, the fallout could paralyze key systems and drain billions from the economy. Russia also holds immense political clout in regions where the U.S. has strategic interests, including Africa, the Middle East, and Central Asia. By building alliances that counter U.S. influence, Russia can block American agendas and expand authoritarian models of governance. In short, Russia doesn't have to invade to destabilize the U.S., it just needs to keep sowing chaos, and in 2025, it's proven disturbingly good at that game. Number 1. The United Kingdom. Yes, really, the UK. While the US and Britain have long been the closest of allies, a major fallout between them would do more than just bruise diplomatic egos. It would shake the very core of the Western alliance and send global markets, intelligence networks, and defense systems into disarray. The UK is America's top intelligence sharing partner through the Five Eyes alliance. If London decided to reduce cooperation or reroute strategic partnerships, the U.S. would lose vital access to intelligence networks spanning Europe, the Middle East, and even parts of Asia. That would create a blind spot in Washington's global surveillance grid. Trade is another linchpin. The U.S. and U.K. exchange over $300 billion in goods and services annually. A breakdown in that flow would rattle sectors ranging from finance to pharmaceuticals, and with London as a global banking hub, the effects would reverberate far beyond British borders. In defense, British forces work alongside American troops in NATO operations, nuclear deterrence programs, and rapid response deployments. A sudden withdrawal from those roles would destabilize military cohesion and embolden adversaries looking to exploit gaps. Symbolically, the collapse of the special relationship would be a major win for America's rivals. In 2025, rising nationalism, diverging foreign policy priorities, and post-Brexit realignments have created tension between Washington and London. If those cracks become a split, the ripple effects could be seismic. Sometimes the most dangerous break isn't from an enemy, it's from your best friend. So there you have it, 10 countries that could seriously damage, disrupt, or outright destroy America's global standing if they decided to walk away. This isn't about invasions or war. It's about leverage, interdependence, and how much the U.S. actually relies on others to maintain its position at the top. From energy partners to manufacturing giants, military allies to financial gatekeepers, these nations hold the keys to crucial pieces of the American puzzle. And if even one of them decides the U.S. isn't worth the partnership anymore, the fallout could be historic. Which country do you think holds the most power over America's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments, subscribe for more deep dives, and keep exploring with Globe Discoveries. Thanks for watching and stay sharp.